Teach you how to make money from home online. All you need is to have your laptop, really your laptop, and let's get right into it. It's older brother Seppo here. I speak entrepreneurship and entrepreneurs mindset on this channel. So the way for you to make money online is by blogging. Now there are way too many blogs on earth right now, like over 1 billion websites that have blogs on them, but you can still make money with your blog. Actually, you can monetize your blog faster than you can monetize on YouTube. I've already monetized my website, which is less than 6 weeks old, and it's already making money through Google Adsense, and it was really seamless. All I needed to do was to add content onto the website, and I'm keep on updating the content, and I'll keep adding more content so that I can increase my revenue on the website. So I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide of how you can do this for yourself and how you can turn this into a full-time living. Now, as I mentioned, the website that I've monetized is only 6 weeks old, but I can already see the progress and see the potential that it can provide for me financially. So let's get right into it. The first thing that you want to do is to actually create a website. Now, there are free options like Blogger, where you can blog for free, and then you can also get ads on your blogger. But if you want to look more professional and you want to have control over design and the look of whatever you are presenting, you want to create your own website, and you can talk about anything in any niche, and you can share your content. So the first thing you need to do is to create a website that will have a blog site where you will add content, which is number 2. You add content to your website. What kind of content? Well, you are blogging, so you are going to write content onto your website. Now, the one thing that you have to be aware of when you write content is that you just don't write interest content. Keep it evergreen, especially in the beginning. It doesn't matter what you are talking about. If you are talking about pet grooming, if you are talking about food, or you are talking about entrepreneurship like myself, you have to answer questions that people have in regards to the topics that you specifically talk about. So this may look like somebody asking for a cooking recipe, and you do a step-by-step guide of a recipe in your blog. Number 3, you want to apply for Google Adsense. Now, Google Adsense will not approve you instantly, and if you don't have enough content or high value content on your website or on your blog site, then it will not approve you. So you have to ensure that at least you have up to 13. I've seen that that's a medium, 13 blog posts on your website, and at least 4 of them be more than 1,000 words, and they have to be as comprehensive, and they have to be something that's valuable enough that if somebody was to see the blog, they'll learn as much as they possibly can, and then Google will pick that up as a valuable content that is good enough to put ads onto that blog post. Now, that other thing that you can do to monetize your website even quicker than Google AdSense, in fact, you can monetize it from the very first blog post that you write, is through affiliate links. Now, there are many affiliate programs that you can apply for depending on the industry that you are working in. For example, software affiliate links, and people buy those products or services through my affiliate links, and once they are able to do that, they will be able to make money for me on my website. So depending also on the product, if it's a lifetime product where people have to pay monthly, then the profit on that is much higher. If it's a one-time buy, then the profit on that is a little bit lower, but I have monetized my website from the beginning. I've done that for myself as well, and I have been approved by Google, and I've also made now so far $2 for people who are not in South Africa, and for anyone who's in South Africa, that is 34 rand. Yes, 34 rand. $2 in USA, and anybody else, $2. And this is my website being monetized about 8 days ago, and I've made that revenue through advertisements. And all that revenue being made through advertisements, it's quite a lot, especially for the fact that I'm based in South Africa, and the CPM and the RPM in this country are a bit lower, but because we are an English speaking language, the CPM and the RPM is higher. Now, to promote your blog post or to promote your blog site, you have to ensure that you share it on your social media, be it LinkedIn, be it Facebook, be it Twitter, Instagram, WhatsApp. Share it as much as you possibly can, and always ensure that when you write your content, you write content that will rank in Google, so that when people search your content, they will find your content. All right. And then the other thing that you want to do is start a YouTube channel. Now, I know that I'm talking about blogging, and a lot of people don't really like talking on video. You don't have to actually talk on video. You can be a voiceover and just promote your content on YouTube. And when people find your content and they read your blog posts, then you are also still getting more money through your website. And that is how you can make money from home. It's that simple. It's not hard at all. I've done it. I am doing it. It's a website that's only 6 weeks old, and the more content I add, the higher the value of the website will be, and the more money I'll make with the website. See you in the next one.